Today I'm making a chocolate raspberry and cream biscuits. First I'm going to make the biscuits, so in a bowl I'm going to add 2 cups of this Jiffy all-purpose baking mix. Next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then add 1/3 of a cup of chopped walnuts. Next add 1 cup of milk. Then mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a lined cookie sheet. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to scoop out the biscuits, and I'm going to bake this at 450 for 10 minutes. While the biscuits are baking, I'm going to make the whipped cream, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream, and then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Next, mix that up until stiff peaks form, and then put this in the fridge for later. Once the biscuits are done baking and cooled, I have them on a cutting board. I'm going to slice each one in half. Next, I'm going to build the biscuits, so I'm going to open up the biscuits and add a big dollop of whipped cream. Next, I'm going to add some raspberries on top of the whipped cream and then put the top of the biscuit on top and then continue building the biscuits. Lastly, I dusted some powdered sugar on top, and here's an up-close look of the biscuits.